Welcome to the multi-award winning Solway bin and liner system, the effective method of segregating and storing used farm plastic adopted by over 20,000 farmers in the UK and Ireland. Welcome to the multi-award winning Solway bin and liner system, the effective method of segregating and storing used farm plastic adopted by over 20,000 farmers in the UK and Ireland. Simply separate out your silage wrap, fertiliser bags, plastic drums and net wrap into individual liners. These then can be placed into the Solway bin as illustrated. This will then transform your farm by keeping the plastics neat and tidy, and will also comply with the new agricultural waste regulations. In this example, triple ring spray drums are compressed into the bin. Firstly, remove any foils and contaminated lids and place them into a separate container. In the demonstration, we are using the Solway bin packer to compress the plastic, but many farmers have invented their own methods to compact the materials into the bin. However, the object is the same, which is to squash as much plastic into the bin as possible. Dismantling the bin is very straightforward. Firstly, unfasten the two toggle clips that hold the 15 kilo lid on and remove. Unroll the liner so that you can gather and tie it off. The liners are designed to be 3 feet longer than the bin and are made out of heavy duty plastic with an element of recovered material. As used in the demo, use a piece of string or cable tie to secure the liner. Then simply undo the toggle clips on the front of the bin and open it up, and you have a freestanding liner ready to be taken to a storage point for collection. To reassemble the bin is the reverse process of emptying the bin. First, pull the ends of the body together and engage the securing strips. Latch together the toggle clips and place in a new liner into the bin. Shake out the heavy duty liner and pull it down the sides of the bin. You should pull it down an extra 3 feet to enable you to tie it off when the bin is full. Replace the lid and pull the liner back up above the toggle catches that hold the lid on and re-engage the latches. Thereafter, now that the lid is in place, the bin is ready to be refilled with more farm waste plastic. Transfer your liners by rolling them onto pallet forks or a grab. Try not to rip the liners when transporting them to a secure storage area, with good road access for the collection which is free from overhead cables. When you require a pickup, bring your local collector. The driver will inspect the liners and add an identification tag. He will write down exactly what he collects on a waste transfer note. Keep this in a safe place, as it is your evidence of the correct waste management. Spray drums are shredded, granulated and proceed into the machinery. They receive a vigorous washing process to remove any residue, and then they are dried. The end product is clean and safe, ready for recycling. Solway Recycling has been at the forefront of farm waste recycling since 1992. The system is used by over 20,000 farmers in the UK and Ireland. It has proved to be a practical, workable solution to segregating, storing and recycling farm plastics.